This is code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals, their Express course. I'm on Lesson 5, Collecting Treasure with Laurel, Puzzle 5. Sequence matters. The blocks you need are already in the workspace, but not connected. Put these blocks in order to collect all the treasure and solve the puzzle. Okay, so this is everything we need. We need to connect them to get them. If you ever need a hint, that's a hint. Let's see, and we're gonna just start going here. Move forward, and well, I don't want to hit that wall. Turn right, I think, and then I'll move forward too. Let's just try this. In code, it's always fine to be wrong. It's always good to test. Boom. Okay. So now I'm standing on top of a gem. I think I want to collect that. And then I probably want to turn to get this other gem. Then move forward maybe, and collect. Let me go ahead and try this. I'm going to hit run, forward, boom, boom. And you can watch it work and collect. Oh, did I get it? Oh, awesome. So real quick, that's what was working. I'm going to reset it. It's always great to use step for debugging because I can watch each individual line run. It's something I do often. So you can kind of see, collect, how the code worked. But, great. Let's keep going.